Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Already discussed with you in the last video that we're probably now in an ending diagonal here. This is at least the only chance AVAX still has, in my opinion, to do a bullish turnaround. But for now, I have no reason to believe that a low has been made here anywhere. If you've been watching the videos in the last few weeks, also over the last few weeks, even though the wave count was different, AVAX hadn't given us any indication that a low was in. Yeah, it was still looking like we would get another low. Of course, this was a very strong, large low, a very deep low. And what do I now need to see? So first of all, we're looking here at this ending diagonal. Okay, this is at the moment how it looks like the wave count is unfolding of this wave 4 high, which was made in, which topped in August 22. A wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside, a wave 3 to the downside. It would be a 3-wave move. Yeah, we're looking at 3-wave moves here in these ending diagonals. So basically also here in this structure, and let me just, probably an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, but I need to change the wave degree of this count and the color ideally. Yeah, so it looks like an ABC, right, where the A wave bottomed here on the 11th of March. Then we had a B wave top and the C wave is unfolding now. Alternatively, WXY, that's not so important here at this stage. They can always morph these corrective structures. Certainly what this indicates currently is that another low is certainly still likely. And that if we get a stronger move to the upside, it could only be the 4th wave. So the wave count and the structure of the chart make it a requirement that price breaks above the wave 2 high at 22.90 to have a strong signal that a low is in place. Now we get some signals before, right? So if price retraces or moves above $19.99 to $20, there would already be a first signal, because this wave 4 should not break above the 78.6 retracement, not in a diagonal. And it would most likely be constrained in one way or another by this trend line here, even though that's not a very well-defined trend line up there. So at the moment anyway, I expect lower prices until I see a break above at least $20. Now a very, very first early signal for at least a local low would be a move above the start of that fear candle. To identify that, we can actually add the volume. So this is the candle where the volume started. There's likely a lot of stops above that where people went short. And that would likely be a break above $14.50. Yeah. So $14.50, $15. A break above that would at least indicate that either a low is in already, or we are moving up in the wave 4. Until then, we could just get out of the current structure, still another low to the trend line, which is around $7.50. So downtrend is still ongoing here for AVAX, as it has been over the recent weeks, yeah, a lot of weakness, but everywhere in the altcoin sector at the moment. This, in my opinion, is at least a valid interpretation of what is currently going on. As soon as we see a little bit and get a bit more clarity, and also tomorrow, obviously, interest rate decisions. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Then we let the dust settle a little bit, and then we can look at new support areas and possible trend reversal areas on the chart. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.